Aloha from UFO Parasail. If you're watching this, then we're going to help you locate the 360 virtual reality video from your parasail adventure. First, you're going to want to log into your email and take a look at that confirmation email from when you originally booked with us. When you scroll down, you're going to want to note the booking number from your reservation, as well as take a look at the date when you originally came out with us. You're going to want to remember that information for when we head over to YouTube. Then you'll head over to youtube.com and type into your browser search bar youtube.com/UFO Parasail. When you click over to that page, you're going to want to go ahead and pop on over to the playlist page. From there, you're just going to want to search the playlist for one that matches the date you came out with us and the location. So for us, it was December 12th on Maui of 2020. On the right-hand side of your screen, you're going to see all the videos from that day. You're going to want to go ahead and look at that last number in the sequence and look for your reservation number. If you need to, you can go back to your booking and reference that number one more time. After you reference that number, you can head on back over to the YouTube playlist and start looking at that last number attached to the video name. You're going to want to find the one that matches your reservation number. Once you find it, you can go ahead and click on it and just see if the video is you, which it should be. Then you can go ahead and enjoy watching the 360 virtual reality video of your ride. You can use your mouse to toggle and look in any direction while you watch. And then after the fact, if you want to save it, you can just hit save and then you'll be able to find it whenever you need it again. If you have any further questions, feel free to give our office a call at 800-359-4836 and we would be happy to help.